I doubted myself. Just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherari Shell if you're new here, and welcome to another garden series. So we have some new things. We have some greenhouses. Sorry to have flies in here. We have some popsicle sticks because we're going to use these as labels because the other labels are not really working. So I may have to like crack them and use half and half. We have some new seeds. We have some bell peppers. We have some okra and some zucchini. So right now we're about to actually seed these because I'm sorry, the flies is just bothering me. There's so many flies in here. I don't understand where all these flies came from. Anyway, we're about to seed these. I do still have some soil left. We may sit down right there and do it because it's easier, but we gonna see. But I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna start labeling because I want to do some more cucumbers for sure. Your neighbors are like so nosy. They are, oh my god. They'll come up the street, slow down because your garage open because they're nosy, which is ridiculous. Anyway, we're gonna start labeling this. I'm thinking about doing like rows of the same thing, like rows of cucumber, rows of okra, rows of this and rows of that. So we're gonna do that. This is our little, this is perfect, honestly. This is some empty containers that we're using for our garage. We just gotta fill stuff up with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my stuff over here because I feel like it's easier over here. And then after we do this, we're gonna for sure go check on our seedlings too. Alright, even the dirt is already over here too, so I can't really see if y'all can see me, but we're here. So I'm about to just cut this bag just for easy cleanup. Alright, y'all can see. So we're gonna start this. I'm actually gonna, let's see. Yeah, it's too tall, so I'm gonna break them. Yep. Alright, now I need to go get some water. 1 second. Alright, we got our spray bottle. Our dirt is under here. I'm gonna put some gloves on today, y'all. Little thingies. We got our shovel. Let's get our dirt. This is actually a watering tray, so I'm gonna not put that on there. Going to spray. I'm just checking to see how wet they are. The greenhouses came with this little thing, which is perfect. So I'm going to use it to actually sow the seeds. I'm gonna label them, sow the seeds, and then we're gonna put it to the side and repeat. So I'm trying. The flies are like just flying by my ear and I can't take it. I can't take the noise. Anyway, do okra. This one, peppers, and this one, beans, and this one, squash, and this one. Okay. Oh, this thing works perfectly. So this is the squash seeds. We're gonna doing beans next. It gets in there. Pepper. One, two, three. And then we're doing okra. How the okra looks. 2, 3. I'm gonna put this in here, and now I'm gonna put a top on it. Alright, we have one of these done. I may hurry up and do another one off camera, but I don't think I'm gonna do 3 today. But I may do another one off camera. But look, I'm gonna show y'all in a little while. I'm gonna put it in my office where the other ones are, and I'm gonna show you the other ones because I doubted myself. Just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is what I have set up. I have lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, cucumbers, and then this is the one I did on camera. I have okra, I think peas, beans, and squash. No, one of them pepper. Okay, this one's pepper. I was like, wait. This is only from 2 days ago. So like I told y'all, I don't know which one is which because the seeds moved when I put the soil in there. So once these grow out a little bit more, I'm going to change their pot and move them into something else. I just don't know which one they are now. Now I'm confused. But I have some growth in one of these. So this is cucumber. Cucumber has some growth, and this is only from like a day. That's crazy. What else? I saw another one. Because yesterday none of them had it. And this one, this is the sweet basil. I don't know if you could see it coming out a little bit. You see it? Just a little is coming out. So the sweet basil is growing. Peppermint, nothing yet. Beets, nothing yet. Green onion, nothing yet. But we do have some cucumbers coming in. So that's why I think this one is a cucumber, because it was the first one that came in. So
that's the one you showed me the other day?
Yeah.
That mud ain't that big.
I
just
know.
A little bit.
And I hope it's not, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone, but I kind of want to repot it too. But we'll leave it alone. It still has a lot of growing to do. but I'll probably leave it uncovered for a few hours too. And these are the new ones. So we are gonna have some sun today. So we didn't have sun the day before yesterday, but we have some sun today. What you trying to see what they are?
There's lettuce.
Lettuce, cabbage, tomatoes, cucumbers, okra, peppers, beans, green beans, and squash. So, and I need to show y'all what I have outside, but nothing grew yet, but I'm gonna show y'all what I have outside, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog. Okay, this is what I have in the pots outside. I have some sweet basil and parsley, but I am about to water these. It rained a little the day before yesterday and a little yesterday, but I'm about to water these right now. Okay, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's gardening series. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!